So for many of you, you may know what this looks like, but can you believe this is not cane? Yep, it's not sugar cane, but look at it. It looks so rich. This is grass. Yeah, this is grass, really, or wild. They call it wild cane. It's not sugar cane, guys. It only looks like it, but it's not. Okay, so yeah, this is a weed. Can't believe it's not cane. Check it out. It's not cane. And how you know it's not cane? You look at the root. Look at the root. If it was cane, it would have been, you would see more, it would be more pronounced for the stems would be more pronounced. So yep, it's not sugar cane. It is not sugar cane. This is your Monday Meds, and I'm your health educator, Tanisha Lawrence. Keep watching. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.